Hello, everyone. Now we are going to answer weekend sheet 5. Let's start. Let's start with the reading comprehension, question 1. Before we read the reading comprehension, we have to start by answering or by reading the questions first to save time. First question, when did Rome Simeon first think of creating the Olympics of extreme sport? Number 2, what did he want to do? Number 3, which US sports television network helped Rome start the extreme games? Number 4, how do extreme athletes feel about their sports? How often are the X Games held each year? Name one sport that's included in the Summer X Games. The first one, when did Ronsmia first think of creating the Olympics of extreme sports? Of course, it's year. The answer will be he first thought of creating the Olympics of extreme sports early 1990s. Number 2, what did he want to do? He wanted, the answer is here, he wanted to bring together athletes from the different extreme sports for one big competition, the Extreme Games. Number 3, which US sports television network helped Rome start the Extreme Games? Of course, the answer is here. The ESPN's help. So it's SESPN. Number 4, how do extreme athletes feel about their sports? The answer is here. Extreme athletes were very passionate about their sports, and that's it. Number 5, how often are the X Games held each year? Of course, the answer is here, twice a year. يبقى extreme athletes, how often are the X Games held each year? X Games held each year twice a year. Number 6. Name one sport that's included in the Summer X Games. Of course, we have more than one. It's here, such as skateboarding and inline skating. Name one sport that's included. Okay, so let's go back to the first question. CNN is one of the world's best known television networks. Number 2, I have a lot of admiration for Ron Simeon. Okay. Number 3, unlike Tom Cruise. Number 4, inline skating is one of the fastest sports in the X Games. Number 5, my brother is very passionate about golf. Okay, let's move to vocab and structure. Number 1, the songs were both. Of course, the answer is catchy. Number 2, will this shirt shrink? There was a noticeable transformation, means change. I want to do new entertaining. Yes. He had to accelerate to avoid the accident. My grandpa didn't used to smoke. When she was a kid, she course, it's used to be happy. There used to be a police station here. Okay. Jane is the ugly girl in our family. Find the mistake and correct it. Of course, the mistake here is ugly. It will be ugliest. It will be ugliest. It will be like this. Ugliest. The ugliest girl. Okay. Number two, at the same time I did my homework, my mom cooked the lunch. The answer will be we have to use while and it starts with capital letter. So I have to start with while. So it will be while I was my homework, my mom was cooking the lunch. Both of them are long actions. Both of them will be in the past continuous tense. Number three, Jane goes to school on foot. How does Jane go to school? The knife feels sharp, correct the verb. The knife feels sharp, just put S. He sometimes reads the newspaper at 5 o'clock yesterday. He was reading the newspaper at 5 o'clock yesterday. Past continuous. And drama is not included. Thanks very much.